Creation Fest has really impacted me. One of the hardest things I've been through is not understanding Christianity and not understanding who God was. That caused me to kind of run towards things that weren't necessarily good for me. But it caused me to see God for who He was, and it became real to me, and I understood it, and it wasn't just something I did every Sunday. It was like a life choice. Jesus is constant in my life.
Nobody like you are so much.
Creation Fest is a wonderful experience for me. Never think you're too old. Here, there's a place for everybody.
I want to know you, 'cause you are like nobody else. You're more than I could ever have dreamed of. You're better than
There was a moment when Isaac lost his job. I felt so hopeless, and for a moment I felt quite fearful about the future. So we came to Creation Fest. I just remember being prayed for and experiencing this peace and quite a real joy, knowing that it was in God's hands and He had something great for us.
'cause you are like